The demand right now from the hyperscalers is really surging necessity to bring power online. It's almost an insatiable demand right now where we're at. The narratives that are out there and the companies that I have talked to, I mean, we're at a point now where arrows are actually getting, or literally, basically jet engines that have been removed from a jet. I'm oversimplifying. They're slapped to a skid and brought out on site. Folks are using that to generate electrons, just to that level of I just need power. It creates this really interesting market dynamic right now of speed to power is going to be critically important. And we're hearing more and more from the data centers, from the hyperscalers, how important that is.